Wait! If you're about to buy web hosting for your website, don't skip this short video. A small mistake can waste your money and make your website slow without you even realizing it. Hi, I'm Golfam, and in this video, I'll quickly share a few important things you must check before buying any hosting, especially if you're a beginner, so you don't regret it later. The first and most important thing is website speed. If your hosting is slow, visitors won't wait for your website to load, they'll simply leave. That's why you should always choose hosting that offers fast servers and SSD storage, because speed directly affects your website's performance and user experience. The second key factor is customer support. Many beginners ignore this, but when your website goes down and support doesn't respond, that's when the real problem starts. Always choose a hosting provider that offers 24/7 live chat support so you can get help whenever you need it. Now let's talk about the most common mistake people make, buying hosting just because it's cheap. Many hosting companies offer very low prices for the first year, but when it's time to renew, the price becomes double or even triple. So before buying, always check the renewal price carefully. If you're a beginner, the best choice is hosting that is fast, reliable, and easy to use, so you can focus on growing your website instead of dealing with technical issues. If this short video helped you, make sure to like it, and subscribe to the channel for more honest hosting tips and reviews. I'll see you in the next video.